administration wants to move special education to a different agency as it works to close the education department altogether. A department official said yesterday the goal is to support these programs without any interruption or impact to students. Just last week, the department's Office of Special Education Programs was decimated as the vast majority of employees were laid off. But what do these changes mean for students with disabilities, especially here in California?
To talk about it, we're joined by Stanton-Trehan. She's a senior attorney at Disability Rights California. Thank you for being with us this morning.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
Can you start by telling us exactly what these federal special education programs do for students so people understand the impact here?
Sure. So I just want to give a little bit of background about the layoffs. So as mentioned, on October 10th, the federal government laid off about 400 people in numerous offices at the U.S. Department of Education. And some of those offices have a critical impact on students with disabilities in California and really throughout our nation. So first of all, let's talk about OSEP, or the Office of Special Education Programs. This office is responsible for administering the funding and oversight for a very critical special education law that protects students with disabilities called the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or the IDEA. And this law actually provides the individualized education programs for students with disabilities in California. So this is really important that we don't have enough staff potentially to oversee the funding and oversight for this law. And then another office that was impacted by these layoffs is the Office of Civil Rights, or OCR, which reviews complaints of discrimination for students with disabilities as well. And how this impacts California students in particular. So in California, we have a large number of students with disabilities. So approximately 827,000 students out of our 6 million total transitional kindergarten through 12th grade students are students with disabilities, and that's 14% of our total population. So you can see that this has an impact on a lot of folks here.
Yeah, Megan, this is supposed to impact so many people. So for a parent listening to this who has a child with special needs, what is this going to mean for them on the day-to-day when they're hearing there really aren't going to be enough instructors to take care of their children? What's going to happen?
So really what it means is that we're lacking potentially an oversight and accountability from the federal government. Because what these offices were doing is providing the funding and oversight for the programs on the ground. So the IDEA and oversight process, that's $15 billion in funding that obviously we needed somebody to figure out how are we making sure states are spending this correctly on students with disabilities on the ground. Since all of those, since many of those positions were laid off, that is now potentially going to be given to the states to do, right, without additional funding or support. Well, so what that could mean for a parent is that, you know, maybe their school district doesn't necessarily have the support that they need, the oversight or the technical assistance that they might need from the federal government or state government to make sure that the students are getting the services and supports that they're legally entitled to.
Shouldn't this be especially frustrating to Californians, where a number of our federal tax dollars go to school districts throughout the rest of the country to now not be able to use those same dollars within our school systems? I find that people should be taking notice to that.
Well, definitely. I mean, I think the Trump administration has said that we're still going to be getting the funding, but the key thing is, you know, funding without oversight might be a big challenge, right? Because we need to make sure that these laws are being complied with. If you just provide funding without making sure that, you know, school districts and teachers and staff have the support, they understand how to serve these students and make sure that the dollars are getting to them appropriately, that's a huge concern, right? And I think we should also talk about the Office of Civil Rights, which has been decimated throughout this year. This is actually the second round of layoffs that is impacting that office.
Yeah, which is also going to trickle into, these special education services. Megan, thank you so much for being with us this morning. It's a story we'll continue to follow, and we encourage parents of special needs students impacted by this to reach out to us specifically. Megan, thank you.
Thank you.